How to fix frame drop issue on Premiere Pro. Just make sure this timeline is highlighted by clicking on timeline and then click on sequence and then choose sequence settings. From inside sequence settings over here, make sure the frame rate is set on 60, or if it is set on 24, don't set it on 23.97 or 59 point like that. Place it on 60 or 24 or 30, nothing with the point, alright? Just make sure it's like a complete number without any point and something number behind that point. I like to go with 60. Over here on custom, you can change it to anything else over here. You can change it to Sony XD cam or Canon XD cam, alright? But most of the time, just putting it on custom is not going to cause you any problem. And make sure auto tone map media is on. Sample hertz, this is basically what you want to go for. For codec, you can also choose anything else, but by default, Premiere Pro chooses it for you. You can also choose maximum bit depth if you want to, but if your computer can't handle it, you can uncheck it. Sometimes this causes lag. You can choose maximum render quality as well and then click on OK. After doing that, your frame rate should be smooth. That's basically how you guys can fix this issue. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.